I'll be starting with this sums here initially, any one of those. Let's say I'll be talking about question number 4, right? Now, in order to understand question 4, there is the small concept, small theorem which we need to understand. The theorem is something like this. Perpendicular drawn from center of the circle to the chord bisects the chord. So basically, in a circle, when we have a chord, right? A chord is nothing but a segment whose endpoints lie on the circle, right? So if we have a circle with a chord, let's say named as AB, and the center of the circle is O, the statement it says if there is a perpendicular which connects the center to the chord. So if we draw a perpendicular from the center of the circle to the chord, let's say the name of perpendicular I've named it as OM, right? So if there is this perpendicular will bisect the chord. Bisect का meaning होता है dividing into two equal parts. मतलब if AB is 10, AM has to be 5, MB has to be 5, right? So the presentation has to be something like this. In circle with center O, segment OM is perpendicular to chord AB, and that is nothing but given, right? And therefore, now I can state that AM is basically equal to MB, and that is ultimately half of AB. I have to write down the reason here, which is this particular statement. Perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the chord bisects the chord. ये पूरा statement यहाँ पर आपको reason के तौर पे लिखना है, and this is the presentation, right? So I'll just deal with question 4 now, children. Now we need to draw the figure, but to draw the figure, we need to understand the question. It says radius of the circle with center O is 41. So radius is given to us. Length of the chord PQ is 80. So I draw a circle wherein the name of chord is PQ, right? So PQ ka length is how much? 80 units. So this distance right here is 80 units. Find the distance of the chord from the center of the circle. So this be the center O. We need to find distance of this chord from the center of the circle. Remember, children, the distance always has to be the shortest distance, right? और shortest distance का मतलब हमेशा क्या होना चाहिए? Perpendicular distance. This nobody will come and tell it to you. You have to remember it. The word distance, as soon as it comes in exams, जैसे ही आपको बोला distance, it has to be the perpendicular distance, right? So basically, we need to find OM, and radius is given to us. So either you can connect OP or you can connect OQ as the radius. That is your choice. Let's say I connect OP. Now, since the radius is 41, I'll just mention it here, 41 units, right? So in order to find OM, children, in order to find this, if I look at this beautiful triangle OMP, in this triangle, if I'm aiming to find OM with the help of Pythagoras theorem, then first I need to find PM, right? And we all know PM is half of PQ, very simple. So the presentation, the other kids who haven't attended my previous lecture can just copy along with me or be ready to take a screenshot at the end. Yeah. So in circle with center O, segment OM is perpendicular to chord PQ, and that is but of course given to us. And therefore I can state that PM, I need not state that PM is equals to MQ because that is not needed. I just need to state that PM is half of PQ, right? The reason As I said, I have to copy the entire statement. Perpendicular drawn from center of the circle to the chord bisects the chord, right? Now, we all know PQ ka value, it is 80. So half of 80, and that is nothing but 40 units. So PM, we have got it as 40 units. We mark it as equation 1. Now, once you have got PM, children, we need to apply Pythagoras. So in triangle OMP, measure angle OMP is equals to 90. That is given. So applying Pythagoras, OP square. Yeah, Rohit, that is correct. Is equals to OM square plus PM square by Pythagoras theorem. Now, we know OP ka value is 41. So 41 square is equals to OM square plus PM ka value we all know is 40 from equation 1. So 40 ka square. Not sure about what is 41 ka square, but what I can do is 41 square minus 40 square. I've shifted 40 square on the left hand side. Now children, if you can see here, yeah, Arman has given me the square of it, which is 1681 minus 1600, right? So when you subtract, you have the answer as 81. So OM square is equals to 81 taking square root. We get OM is equals to 9 units, right? I hope all the kids have understood this. You just have to mention taking square root. Do not write TSR in exams. Muaz says writing is very blurry. Oh, is it clear now? Yes. So I request you to take a screenshot of this for those kids at least who have not, kind of attended the previous sessions. I can assure you, sum number 1, 2, 3, 4, all are very similar. So if you have understood this sum, believe me, you can do the rest 3 by yourself. Still, if you find any difficulties dealing with those sums, just let me know in the next class. I'll help you there. Or you can just attend my previous lectures through the recordings. Right? Everybody has at least taken a screenshot. Kindly acknowledge so that I can just move on to the next sum. You can copy things later on from the screenshot, children, because I clearly remember that I have finished those sums. Yeah, thank you for acknowledging. Question number 5. Let's say it is important sum. In figure 6.9, center of two circles is O, right? So there are two circles जिनका सेंटर सेम है, राइट? अब ऐसे सर्कल्स जिनका सेम सेंटर होता है, we call those centers as concentric circles, right? There is a term related to that, which is concentric circles. Chord AB of bigger, Ayush, I'm reading the question, so you don't have to, kind of zoom in for the question. Just listen to me. I believe this is pretty much clear, right, Ayush? So AB of the bigger circle intersects the smaller circle in points P and Q. So I'll draw AB. So chord AB of the bigger circle intersects the smaller circle at P and Q. Show that AP is equals to QB. So I'll just write down, show that, जो हमको prove करना है, it is AP is equals to BQ, right? Now children, in all the previous sums, that is question 1, question 2, question 3, question 4, and the solved examples, we dealt with this beautiful concept. That concept is nothing but this. Perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the chord bisects the chord. अब वो सेम कॉन्सेप्ट हमको यहाँ पर भी यूज करना है, but the problem is there is no perpendicular given to us, right? So we will draw one, and हम लोग ड्रॉ करेंगे, मतलब यहाँ पे एक डॉटेड लाइन आएगा और परपेंडिकुलर आ जाएगा. You can name this point as per your choice. I've named it as M. So this point, the center of the circle, I'll just write it above O M, right? O M. So construction, draw O M perpendicular to, either you can call it as chord AB or chord PQ, whatever you want. Chord AB, right? So we move on to the proving part. Now, in order to prove, let's say I'll just first start with the smaller circle. So I want all of you to pay attention just for the smaller circle. Now tell me, for the smaller circle, the name of the chord is supposed to be perfect, is supposed to be PQ. So for smaller circle, segment OM will be perpendicular to chord PQ, and that is not given, children, that comes from perfect construction. And you may put it as A dash P dash M and M dash Q dash B between this, right? Now, since OM is perpendicular to the chord, can I state perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the chord will bisect the chord? Matlab, can I state PM and MQ will be equal? I mark this is equation number 1. And as soon as we use this particular concept, we have to put this as the reason. Perpendicular drawn from center of the circle to the chord bisects the chord, right? Okay, now we have dealt with the smaller circle. Now we'll be talking about the bigger circle. So for bigger circle, we know that segment OM this time is perpendicular to chord perfect. The name of the chord here is AB. So segment OM is perpendicular to chord AB. The reason again has to be construction. Now, can I state that AM will be equal to MB? The same reason, perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the chord bisects the chord, right? Therefore, AM is equals to MB. The same reason. I won't be writing the entire reason this time. Perpendicular drawn from, I'll just put 3 dots. You cannot do this. Remember, aisa kiya, you'll lose marks. Perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the chord bisects the chord is the entire reason. Now, children, this AM, look in the figure. AM ko can I write it as AP plus PM, right? So next step, AM को हम लोग लिखेंगे AP plus PM. Acha, in order to do this, the reason has to be A dash P dash. Okay, likewise, look at MB in the figure as well. Can I write MB as MQ plus QB. So AM is equal to MB के बदले MQ plus QB. MQ plus QB. Reason A dash P dash M and M dash Q dash B. All right. Hope this is clear. Now, if you all remember कि हमको prove क्या करना था, we needed to prove that AP is equals to BQ, right? Look, AP and BQ, अगर इन दोनों को equal proof करना है, that means this two should get cancelled out. इनको cancel होना चाहिए. And in order to get those two cancelled out, they should be equal, right? तो PM और MQ को अगर equal proof किया, तो ये दोनों भी equal proof हो जाएगा. The question is, how do we prove them equal? Look at equation 1. We have already proved them equal, right, children? PM और MQ तो already equal है. So just that, I cannot cancel them directly. PM के बदले next step में हम लोग क्या लिखेंगे? MQ. So instead of PM, I write MQ. I'll just copy all the other terms as it is. AP को as it is copy किया. This MQ I have copied it as it is. QB को भी as it is copy किया. Just that PM के बदले क्या लिखा? MQ. The reason is from 1. MQ gets cancelled and therefore AP is equals to QB. Hence proved. Hope everybody has understood this. Yeah, kindly copy the sum. Let me know once you people are done copying. Yeah, Jai Vinayak Chavan, I'll show it to you. Yeah, it's very easy, Ishan. I know the second page is halfly visible. I was waiting for all the kids to complete this page first. Because if I move like this towards the right side, maybe there are certain kids who might be, kind of copying this. See, Josh now is requesting the left page. So that is the reason I was waiting. Very good, Jay. Okay, Shruti has completed it. Rohit has completed it. Sir, can you explain the second page, please? Yeah, definitely. See, child, the second page, what I have done here is AM जो आप यहाँ पे देख पा रहे हो, instead of AM, if you look in the figure, I've written it as AP plus PM. AP plus PM. And MB, instead of MB, I've written it as MQ plus QB. MQ plus QB, right? And then PM जो है PM, उसके बदले PM के बदले, as you can see here in equation 1, right here, PM के बदले क्या लिखा है? MQ. तो PM के बदले I've written it as MQ. The reason is from 1. MQ gets cancelled. So AP is equals to QB is the part which we needed to prove. QB लिखो या BQ, it is still the same. Yeah. I hope everybody has finished copying. Yeah, now just that everybody knows, question 6 has been cancelled this year from the syllabus due to COVID, right? So question 6 is not there in the syllabus. The first 5 sums are there. Now talking about practice set 6.2. I believe here again the third sum has been cancelled from the syllabus. So in order to understand practice set 6.2, there is this concept which we should know first, right? So let us understand the concept. The concept is something like this. Congruent chords, congruent chords are equidistant from center of the circle. अब इसका मतलब क्या है? Let us understand the meaning of the statement. So I'll consider few cases here. Let's say two cases. Something like this. The name of the chord is AB, PQ, right? Let's say the name of the chord here is CD, E, F, right? So here, children, in fact, here as well, let's say the center, name of the center is O. And if it is given that the chords are congruent, right? So if you all know that chords are congruent, that is chord AB. If it is congruent to chord PQ, if the chords are congruent, then they are equidistant from where, children? From center. Acha, distance in maths has to be always the shortest distance, जिसका मीनिंग है परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस, राइट? सो इक्विडिस्टेंस का मतलब कौन सा डिस्टेंस परपेंडिकुलर होने वाला है? परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस. सो ओ से ए बी यानी एक कॉर्ड के ऊपर परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस हैज टू लुक समथिंग लाइक दिस, राइट? लेट्स से द नेम वी कॉल इट एज OM, and here it has to look something like this, ON. So if the chords are congruent, then those distances are congruent, right? So we can state that segment OM is congruent to segment ON, and you have to put this entire statement here as a reason. Congruent chords are equidistant from center of the circle, right? The next case, children, again, if it is given to us that chord CD is congruent to chord EF, again I can state that those chords will be equidistant from the center of the circle. Now let's say, imagine the center of the circle is somewhere here, right? Now since this is a rough figure, it might look awkward since it is going slightly, below the diameter, but assuming this is the center of the circle, I give it the name O. तो O से CD के लिए एक perpendicular has to look like this, right, children? Let's say the name again I call it as OM, and O से एक perpendicular distance to the other chord has to look like this. Let's say the name this time I call it as OM. So if those two chords are equal, then I can state that the distances, their distances from the center, that is OM and ON, will be equal. Segment OM will be congruent to segment ON. Again, the same reason, right? Congruent chords are equidistant from the center of the circle. By the way, children, Dhananjay from Chembur is saying that the video is not clear. Children, just want to confirm whether the things here displayed here, are they clear enough? Okay, clear. Yes, yes, very clear, very clear. Thank you so much, children. For okay, there was one kid who said no. Maximum of the cases there is a yes. So, children, those few cases where I can see a no, like Sharanya Hegde from Ghatkopar as well. Maybe, children, there must be some internet fluctuation at your end. See, there are two people here. One, I am using an internet. If there is a problem with my internet connection, believe me, everybody here will have a problem. किसी को भी दिखाई नहीं देगा. But since many people are able to see, that means might be there is some issue with the internet connection at our end. Yeah, I'll just explain it. Listen ध्यान से. बेटा अगर एक सर्कल में दो कॉर्ड्स है, राइट, और वो दोनों अगर कॉन्ग्रुएंट है तो उनका डिस्टेंस सेंटर से जो डिस्टेंस है वो कॉन्ग्रुएंट होने वाला है. अगर कॉर्ड्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट है तो सेंटर से जो डिस्टेंस है वो कॉन्ग्रुएंट होगा. जस्ट आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड इट. अब इसका कॉन्वर्स भी ट्रू है. इमेजिन इफ देयर इज अ केस wherein there are two chords. Acha, this time it has been not stated that the chords are congruent. Chords congruent है करके given नहीं है. But it has been given to us that ये जो perpendicular distance है OM और ये जो perpendicular distance है ON वो दोनों equal है. It is given. So if it is given that the chords are equidistant, then children we can state that the chords are also equal. I hope it is clear. Yes, no. Samjha, right? I'll just write the reason for this. Mahi says no. I'll just explain it to you, Mahi, once again. यहाँ पर अगर माही ऐसा गिवन है कि OM और ON इक्वल है, अगर कॉर्ड्स का डिस्टेंस सेंटर से इक्वल है तो कॉर्ड्स भी इक्वल है. Yes, Daniel, you have to write it. Don't worry, I'll give you some time to copy. Right? So, if chords are equidistant from center of the circle, then they, matlab chords, are congruent. Right? So it is just, there are two cases. ये अगर केस 1 है तो उसका एग्जैक्ट कॉन्वर्स उल्टा इज द सेकेंड केस. आई होप दैट इज क्लियर चिल्ड्रन. सी यहाँ पर हमने क्या बोला था कि कॉर्ड्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट है, तब जाके हमने क्या बोला कि दे विल बी इक्विडिस्टेंट. Here it is exactly opposite. What if we are saying is if the chords are equidistant, then the chords would be equal. Yeah, now I want you all to copy both the concepts. First, just copy this part and then I'll show you the right page. वो भी copy कर ले. Is there any kid who has not understood those concepts? Just let me know. No, you can just copy anyone. दोनों same concept है ना? So just copy any one figure. That is up to you. The statement and any one of those. Yeah, Shreyansh, I can explain things again. No worries. I'll tell you very simple concept. Both are same. मैंने एक let's say example लिया और ये दूसरा example. Right? For those kids who have not understood, children, I'll show you the page. Don't worry again. हाँ, कोई भी एक करना है copy, right? See, this is the circle. If there are two chords, chord AB and chord CD. If it is given to us कि दोनों equal है, मतलब ये 15 सेंटीमीटर है, ये भी 15 सेंटीमीटर है, तो अगर दोनों chords equal है, congruent है, if the chords are congruent, then they are equidistant from the center of the circle. From where? Center. So let's say this is the center. अच्छा, distance का मतलब मैंने पहले भी बोला था, it has to be the shortest distance, मतलब perpendicular distance. तो अब इनको आपको नेम देना पड़ेगा. लेट्स से आई कॉल इट एज OM एंड ON. सो अगर ये दोनों इक्वल है कॉर्ड्स, देन OM एंड ON दे आर इक्वल. आई होप दैट इज क्लियर. अब उसका उल्टा भी पॉसिबल है चिल्ड्रन. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अगर कोई एक केस में कॉर्ड्स है बट दिस टाइम इट इज नॉट गिवन कि ये दोनों कॉर्ड्स इक्वल है, हमको गिवन नहीं है, प्रूफ करना है इस बार. तो प्रूफ कैसे करेंगे? इमेजिन this information is given to us कि OM का वैल्यू 5 सेंटीमीटर है and ON का वैल्यू is 5 सेंटीमीटर and they both are perpendiculars. That means यहाँ से हमको क्या समझ में आया कि both the chords they are at the same distance, equidistance from the center of the circle, and therefore you can state that chord AB is congruent to chord CD. So this is the first thing which I've displayed here on the first page, and this is the second concept which I've shown it here on the second page. So I request you to copy this page first. अच्छा ये पेज पे ये दोनों कॉपी करने का जरूरत नहीं है. Copy any one. Those are concepts just required to understand 7.2 and few other sums in problem set. ये अभी जो हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं ये सम नहीं है, थ्योरम्स है, बेसिकली कॉन्सेप्ट्स है जो सम करने के लिए रिक्वायर्ड होते हैं. I hope everybody has completed this page because there are few kids who are requesting me to show the other page. Okay, since there are no replies. No, this is not the proof. This is just the concept part. Proof करने के लिए पूरा सब कुछ लगेगा. Given to proof, proof वाला step सब कुछ. So this is just the concept, the understanding of the concept. Yeah, here is the next page. Finished? Sir, all this three are the same formula, right? No canon. बेटा ये दो सेम है, सेम कॉन्सेप्ट है. ये एग्जैक्टली उसका उल्टा है ये वाला. So this is converse of this. This is, for example, if A then B, अगर ये वाला है तो ये उसका उल्टा है. If B then A, converse. Yeah, Deep, I'll do that. Hope everybody has finished copying this. Okay, Soham says wait. Okay. Shruti has finished it. So I'm waiting for you to confirm whether you finished or not. Yeah, Soham has finished it. So the kid who requested this page to take a screenshot, be very quick. Right? So we'll start with 6.2. Practice set 6.2. Question number 1. Radius of the circle is 10 centimeter, right? So the radius is 10 centimeter. There are two chords of length 16 centimeter each, right? अब each बोला है मतलब दोनों chords का value same है. So chord AB and chord CD. I've drawn two chords randomly, right? और दोनों का जो measure है 16 centimeter each है. So it is given that chord AB is equals to chord CD is equals to 16 centimeter. What will be the distance of this chords from the center of the circle? So अगर ये center of the circle है तो यहां से chord AB का distance मतलब perpendicular, let's say the name is OM, और यहां से CD का जो perpendicular distance है, let's say the name is N, ON, ये दोनों ढूंढना है हमको, OM and ON, right? Daniel says, please show the second page for a minute. Here is the second page, Daniel. Be very quick. Take the screenshot if you want. Yeah, there were few kids talking something about school. I have not read those messages. You can just post those again. Yeah, Daniel, your work is done, I suppose, with the page. Yeah. So, chord AB and CD are equal given to us. We need to find OM as well as ON. Right? So, how are we going to find those? Now, radius, since it is given to us, I'll either connect OB, or I can connect OA, or I can connect OC, or I can connect OD. Yeah, the third sum is omitted basically from the syllabus. So there are four options. You can connect any of those. There is one kid who has requested to connect OD, so I'll just connect OD, right? So that is the radius, jiska value 10 centimeter. Now, since I've connected OD, in order to find ON, I first need to know ND. अब ND कैसे मिलेगा? We all know in a circle, if there is a perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the chord. So I hope everybody can see a perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the chord. CD के ऊपर एक perpendicular ON दिख रहा है? Yes. So we write the presentation in circle with center O. Segment ON is perpendicular to chord CD. That is nothing but given to us in the question, right? And therefore we can state that ND जो हम लोग को required है is basically half of CD. ND is half of CD. The reason, perpendicular drawn from center of the circle to the chord bisects the chord, right? So I've written the reason as well. Half of 16 is basically 8 centimeter. Yeah, perfect. The answers are correct. So ND is 8 centimeter, which we have got. But if you all remember, we are not interested in ND. Rather, we are interested in ON, right? So we have to apply Pythagoras. So in triangle OND, measure angle OND is equals to 90. That is again given. Applying Pythagoras, OD square is equals to ON square plus ND square by Pythagoras theorem, right? Now, what is the value of OD, children? It is the radius. Radius is 10 centimeter. So 10 square is equals to, when we need to find it, ND is basically 8 from equation 1. So now it is very simple. 10 ka square is 100, 8 ka square is 64. You shift 64 on the other side. 100 minus 64. Answer is 36. Taking square root. I hope everybody can solve those certain steps which I have skipped here. On is equals to 6 centimeter taking square root. Right, children? So if you all remember, there were two things which we needed to find, OM and ON. So ON मिल चुका है. I mark it as equation 2. Now since ON is 6 centimeter, there is a child saying the screen is blur. I believe it is very clear to all the other kids. Must be the internet connection issue, child. Cannot help it. Give it some time, maybe it will get clear then, right? So once we have got ON as 6 centimeter, the question is how do we find OM? Should we repeat the entire process once again? मतलब एक radius draw करो 10 है, फिर MB उसका half 8, 10 8, so this has to be 6. The answer is no. नहीं, similarly word भी use नहीं कर सकते. Shruti normally, Shruti Mahi, we can use this word similarly normally, but here there is a concept exclusively meant for this, right? What is that concept? If the chords are congruent, then they are equidistant from the center of the circle, right? क्योंकि यहाँ पे exclusively एक concept है, तो rather teachers would prefer कि आप similarly word छोड़ करके ये theorem लिखो, right? इसको ज़्यादा importance दिया जाएगा. But logically speaking, the word similarly should work. अब बाकी आपके school teachers के ऊपर. But I insist, write down the entire statement, the theorem. Since ON is 6, we all can state that OM is also 6. So the next page I write, therefore, OM is equals to ON. Why? The reason, uh, if chords are congruent, then they are equidistant from center of the circle, right? And therefore, ON का value क्योंकि 6 था, ON का value क्योंकि 6 था, I can state that OM will also be 6 centimeter from 2. So I've got OM as well as ON. So I request you all to copy this first, then I'll display the next page. Sir, then too it is blur, but I can leave and rejoin again. Yes, Riddhi, you can do that. Yeah, there is some kid who has already finished copying this. Request others to acknowledge once they are done. Maybe Jay, not sure. There are still 15 minutes left. Is there an emergency, Jay? You can leave. Yeah, next class most probably will be needing all the construction wala things, the compass box, the protractor, everything, right? Because there are construction based sums in the next exercise. Hope everybody has finished it. Is there any kid who is still copying? Yeah, Rajin says please wait. Yeah, Shreyansh has finished it. Rajin, I hope you've finished it. Yeah. So here is the next page. Okay, just shares the previous page for 1 second. So just 1 second is done. Should I turn? and go back to the last page. TSR is taking square root, Daniel. You cannot write the shortcut in exams. And those lines here means I've skipped few, lines, few steps. Like 10 ka square was 100, 8 ka square is 64. Shifting 64. 100 minus 64 is 36. Taking square root is 6. I expected you all to do that by yourselves. I know there might be few students जिन्होंने ऐसे ही कुछ कर दिया होगा design. Yeah, here is the next page. Okay, Gitesh has finished copying. Shruti has finished copying. Parth has finished it. Finished copying. Okay. Okay. So I believe maximum of the students have already finished copying. So I move on to the next sum. That is question 2. Question 3 has been omitted from the syllabus. So question number 2, 6.2. In a circle with radius 13 centimeter. Radius is 13 centimeter. Two equal chords are at a distance of 5 centimeter from the center. So it is given that the chords are equal, right? पहले से ही given है. So let's say the name of the chord is AB and CD. So it is given that chord AB is equals to chord CD. Okay. Two equal chords are at a distance of 5 centimeter from the center. मतलब दोनों का distance भी given है already. OM 5 centimeter है और as well as ON 5 centimeter है. This is also given to us, right? So OM equals to ON is equals to 5 centimeter. ये भी given है. So ढूंढना क्या है? What do we need to find this time? Find the lengths of the chords. We need to find AB as well as CD का value. I've written equal because it has been given in the question, right? So इनका value ढूंढना. Right? Yeah, we can consider any again as the radius, OC, OD, OB, or OA. Let's say I consider OC as the radius, right? The radius is 13. So first I'll have to find CN और फिर उसका double करना पड़ेगा, correct? So let us find CN by Pythagoras. So in triangle ONC, measure angle ONC is equals to 90 given to us. Applying Pythagoras, OC square is equals to ON square plus CN square. Ayush is requesting me to move slightly. What here? आयुष वो कॉपी करने वाला पार्ट बाद में कर लेना बेटा. Let me explain this. By Pythagoras theorem. Now OC का value is 13 given to us. ON is 5. We need to find C. Right? So 169 is equals to 25 plus CN square. So 169, I'm shifting 25 on the other side, becomes minus 25. Right? So 169 minus 25, children, the answer is 144. Taking square root, CN is equals to 12 centimeter. Taking square roots. I mark this is my equation 1. But if you all remember, we were not interested in CN, rather we are interested in CD. You all remember perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the chord bisects the chord. So I'll be using that concept here, right? In circle with center O. Segment ON is perpendicular to chord AB given, and therefore CN is half of CD. CN is half of CD, right? Again, the same reason. Perpendicular drawn from the center. I've just shown 3 dots. You have to write the entire reason. Perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the chord bisects the chord, right? हाँ, मैंने chord CD ही लिखा है. Perfect. Yeah, sorry, my mistake here. It has to be CD. Thank you for correcting me. So ON is perpendicular to chord CD, right? Okay, now we have found out Cn ka value, which is 12. So instead of Cn, I'll write 12 is equals to half into CD. And that comes from equation 1, right? 1 se. And now children, if we shift this 2 on the other side, it will go in the numerator. So 2 into 12, CD ka answer aa jayega 24 centimeter. I hope that is clear. So there is just one line which either instead of writing it on the next page, I can write it here. Therefore, CD is equals to 24 centimeter, right? That is what we needed to find. And agar CD 24 hai, so it has been already given to us. Also, since it is given, I can state that AB is 24 centimeter. There is no reason which you need to mention because it is given. हाँ, अगर ये गिवन नहीं होता कि कॉर्ड्स इक्वल है तो आपको लिखना पड़ता कि सिंस दोस कॉर्ड्स आर इक्विडिस्टेंट फ्रॉम द सेंटर द कॉर्ड्स वुड बी इक्वल एंड हेंस दोनों का वैल्यू 24 है. आई होप इट इज क्लियर चिल्ड्रन. So this is the last part which I have not written it on the next page. I have written it here. You can just copy the sum. Yeah, Rohit has already finished it. Wow. Jay has finished it. Shruti has finished it. If we are done, we can leave. No, homework वगैरह देना है, so you have to wait. जय, तेरे को क्या काम है ऐसा अर्जेंट? If there is anything seriously urgent, you may leave. Don't worry about the lecture. Yeah. I hope everybody has understood. Sir, if the school starts from 23rd, will our tuition start? Rahul, not sure about that. We'll just have to wait because there is no circular for classes yet, I believe. जो सर्कुलर अभी तक आया है वो स्कूल्स के लिए है. तो स्कूल्स बेसिकली कैसे फंक्शन होते हैं, right? If everything goes very smooth with the schools, maybe the classes everywhere will start. Okay, Soham says the down part we are not able to see. It is 12 is equals to half into CD, Soham. Right? So you have to shift this 2 on the other side. So 2 into 12 is basically 24. Gatha, क्या compulsory होगा? What are you talking about, child? अरे ये पूरा रीजन लिखने का है बेटा. अच्छा, सेगमेंट ON is perpendicular to chord CD. फिगर में देखना, तेरे को भी समझ में आ जाएगा. ON is perpendicular to CD. I've written it as AB initially, जो मेरा mistake था. There was one child who corrected me. Instead of AB, it has to be CD. तो CD लिखा है. Right? And this is the entire reason which you have to write. Perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to the chord bisects the chord. Yeah. Thank you so much, children. Let us talk about homework maybe now. Few minutes left yet. So MCQs में from problem set 6. We can consider the first as homework, fourth as homework. And if you all know, the longest chord, right, of the circle is nothing but the diameter. So radius 2.9 है, diameter जो कि longest chord होता है, radius का double होना चाहिए. So fifth will also be homework. Now this is something where you need to apply common sense. I give it to you as homework, right? And definitely, let's see who can solve this. Yeah. I request you kids to not just, kind of mark the correct answers for those sums. हाँ, क्योंकि अभी हम लोग घर पर है प्रैक्टिस के लिए, हम लोग पूरा सोल्यूशन कर सकते हैं. एग्जाम्स में आपको सिर्फ करेक्ट ऑप्शन लिखना है, ऑप्शन ए करेक्ट ऑप्शन वैसा, राइट. बट अभी के लिए व्हेन आई एम गिविंग दोस सम्स इज होमवर्क, आई वांट यू ऑल टू सॉल्व दोस. क्वेश्चन 6 के लिए डेफिनेटली देयर विल बी नो सॉल्विंग, तो वहां पे डायरेक्ट आंसर चल जाएगा. बट थोड़ा बहुत एक्सप्लेनेशन अगर आप दे पाओ तो बेटर, लॉजिकल एक्सप्लेनेशन, राइट. Yeah, you have to write the solution for MCQs in your notebook, considering those as sums. I hope, Susan, that is understood. Yeah. And last but not least, question 6 from problem set is for homework. Let's see who can do it. It is a very simple sum, but slightly tricky, right? तो अगर किसी बच्चे को नेक्स्ट क्लास में ये जो भी होमवर्क दिया है उसमें से कुछ भी नहीं समझेगा, तो we'll start our session with those first and then we'll just move on to the next one, right? I hope that is pretty much clear to all of you. So how many sums have I given for homework? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Yeah, 6 sums given as homework. That's it. We are done with today's session. Thank you so much, children, and God bless you. All the sums are from problem set.